These are for Artie.
Don't touch my cake. Don't
Mom,
touch my cake.
Mom, this is too hard for me.
Arthur, it's paper.
Just start ripping the paper, bud.
Don't be so fussy. How lucky are you? Huh?
Wow.
It's for you.
What do you say, Arthur? That's a pretty sweet gift.
Nerf Tommy gun.
Here, let me take it, and you can open ours, and we'll see if we can get this ready for you to play.
I'm ready.
Wait, honey, that's tied to the ribbon. You just gotta untie. You gotta untie the ribbon.
Untie the ribbon how?
Pull it.
Just have Mama cut it. Yay!
I think he's getting tired of the cake.
Mom, I don't want you to open it. Yeah. Stop it. Stop it!
Let's all sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What's that? Happy birthday, dear Arthur. Happy birthday to you. Yay! How old are you? How old are you? You look